ultra slim, and linkable blacklights that pack a punch? You don't want to miss this one. Let's go! Okay, so this is the Ultra Rail made by Wildfire Lighting. It features a T5 fluorescent BLB lamp with a wavelength of 365 nanometers. It comes in 3 different sizes, 12 inch at 8 watts, 22 inches at 14 watts, and 46 inches at 28 watts. This blacklight is super slim. The diameter on each blacklight is less than an inch and about 1.6 inches in height. Not only does this blacklight have a super slim body, the weight on these blacklights are less than 1 pound. Super lightweight, crazy, right? Input voltage is 120 or 220 volts. To power this on, you can either hardwire or use a power cord with or without a switch. Like all fluorescent fixtures, if the lamp doesn't turn on, make sure that the lamp is seated in correctly. Now what's sweet about this fixture is you can link a bunch of them together. Max linked is 300 watts. So if I had 37 of these 12-inch ones, I can literally link them all together on one power source. Have you seen anything like this? Let me know down in the comments below. You can link any sizes together with this modular connector that comes with the blacklight, or you can get a link cord. Sizes vary on the link cord, anywhere from 2 inches to 72 inches. It also comes with these snap-on brackets for easy installation. Most people use this blacklight for coves, soft-lit lighting, shelf lighting, or merchandise displays. Pretty much any small area where you can't fit a traditional bulky blacklight in, you can probably fit this one in. Now the most typical install for these blacklights are for lighting up the ceiling, for a glow-in-the-dark sky with glow stars, the moon, or even planets. So like if you had like crown molds maybe about a foot away from the ceiling, this is probably the perfect blacklight for your application. And my favorite use for this blacklight is probably going to be for Halloween. If you have a haunted house or maze, you can easily hide this fixture under tables or props. It'll be completely hidden, making your UV or glow materials pop as if no light was hitting it at all. And don't forget, you can link up a bunch of these blacklights together on one power source. If you have an awesome idea for this blacklight, let me know down in the comments below. And if you're new here, please remember to subscribe and hit that bell notification for future blacklight content. Thank you for watching. Mahalo!